Hello there, everyone.
Hey.
Pastor Padron here, and today I have Watchman's Reach, another one of the blends in Cornell Diehl's new Summit series. This is the only one I have not yet done a review on, and this is a Bright Virginia plug. Let me read what's in the tin according to the description here. A reliable, steady blend of whole leaf bright and lemon flu-cured grades, this all Virginia plug rises to great heights. Its natural sweetness enhanced by notes of bright citrus, hay, and baked goods on the finish. Shall we open it up and find out what this one looks like? Okay. There is what is inside. Definitely a lighter plug than the others in this series. And this one also has a little mini plug inside it to get it to 2 ounces. And as far as tin note goes, kind of a bright hay, citrus. Hay is what I get the most of. Hay and like a lemon zest. All right, let's take a little bit of this and cut it up. Now, since we got one of these little mini plugs here, one of the things you can do is take a cigar cutter to prepare this. Obviously, on a big block, you can't do it, but if you cut off something like this thicker, then you can stick it into the cutter like that.
Oh.
See that there? That's all nice. Moisture level on this is nice. It's actually a little bit on the dry side. This doesn't feel dried out, just dry. I think there's a difference there. And, my rule of thumb is wet things don't burn. So I like my stuff to be a little bit on the drier side anyway. Let's light this up and find out how different it is from the others in the series. All right, it lit up real nice. The flavors are very bright, very citrusy, some hay notes right off the bat, not unexpected at all. I do get little hints of lemon, but right now it's hay, citrus, kind of a little zest on the palate. Just a minute or two into the bowl, things start to get very creamy and the flavors start to really develop more. There is a very obvious growing, slightly peppery zing on the finish. Retro Hill also has more peppery spice than I expected. It's almost like a lemon pepper kind of sensation in the Retro Hill. A little further in, the taste is very creamy, it's got some bread notes to it, little hints of lemon. Definitely I think that lemon pepper is kind of the best way I can describe it. It's not over the top, but it's definitely there. It's like this strong undercurrent that's never really quite at the surface, but you can't deny it's there. And the finish is very long and very thick. And by thick, I mean it kind of lingers. It feels heavy on your tongue. It feels very kind of oily. It's also getting sweeter as I smoke it. As I'm getting down near the bottom of the bowl, the flavors are staying fairly consistent, but they've gotten richer, sweeter, and creamier as it's gone on. So what started out really as kind of like a lemon hay has developed much more into a very creamy, lemony, lightly peppery base with some hay and maybe even a little bit of cedar and bread notes thrown in on it too. Watchman's Reach is a really great bright Virginia plug. If you are into the bright Virginia kind of a blend that stays more on the citrusy side of things, then this is something that you will probably like a lot. It's a lot creamier than I thought it was going to be. I'm not a big lemon guy. I'm not big on citrusy kind of things. So, I typically pass on orange juice, lemonade, stuff like that. But if that kind of flavor profile is for you, you would really, really like this. I did like the kind of lemony pepper sensation in the retrohale and on the palate. And I did enjoy the tobacco. And I like every once in a while trying something different to kind of cleanse my palate, take it in a different direction. You all who know me or watch a lot of my videos know that I like a lot of darker tobaccos, fuller bodied things. I tend to go more savory than sweet, more salty instead of acidic and citrusy. But this was really enjoyable, and I can really highly recommend it to people with that kind of palate. As far as the whole series goes, I've been pretty impressed. Each one was very different. Watchman's Reach was the least earthiest of the four. So if you do not like those deeper, earthier flavors, but want to try one in the series, maybe start with this. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. And I'll have more reviews for you soon. Stay smoky, my friends. And that's not just blowing smoke. Have a great day. God bless.